Good morning, I'm Pete Seyler, and this is Markets in a Minute for the week of November 24th. Markets experienced another interesting week of trading as investors eagerly awaited the NVIDIA Q3 earnings report, which came after the bell on Wednesday. As expected, they did not disappoint. They beat expectations across just about all metrics, and this led to strong gains in after-hours trading and at the start of trading on Thursday. However, this rally quickly ran out of steam, with the stock actually finishing the day down 3%. We think this really speaks to what we've been talking about over the last few weeks, that investors are becoming increasingly worried about high AI valuations, and in particular, future spending and earnings, which is highly dependent on so-called vendor financing loop that exists between many Mag 7 names and major privately held AI players like OpenAI and Anthropic. On the economic front, we got a very delayed September jobs report, which showed 119,000 new jobs created versus an estimate of just 53,000. That's the good news. The bad news is the trend is still not encouraging. We also saw a 2-month revision down 33,000 and a 3-month average that sits at just 62,000 jobs, a number that is well below what's required for a healthy labor market. Now, how does this translate to interest rate expectations? Well, the midweek did see the probability of a December rate cut fall to as low as 30%. However, based on some dovish Fed comments on Friday morning, that number jumped out to nearly 65% in early trading, leaving a good deal of uncertainty around the Fed's December meeting, with a rate cut now looking like a coin flip. Looking ahead to this week, it's going to be a shortened week due to the Thanksgiving holiday, which typically means low trading volume and a lack of economic and earnings data. So on that note, we wish everyone a happy and safe holiday. Thanks for watching this edition of Markets in a Minute. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to get notification for future video content. I hope you have a great week.